In this video, I want to show you how to use Profit Theme's built-in drag and drop function. Okay, so you go to Pages, Add New. Okay, give it a few moments to load up. Okay, now this is the WordPress editor. Okay, just underneath this one, you can see an area. Okay, and it says PT, which stands for Profit Theme. Landing page layout settings, only used when creating a sales page, a squeeze page, a product launch page, or any kind of landing page. Okay, you can toggle this. Okay, so if you don't see anything here, remember that you can always toggle this to and a drop down will show up, right, with all the features and options, and the drag and drop elements will show up. So anytime you don't see the drag and drop interface, be sure to click this button here. Okay, now essentially the drag and drop interface lets you very easily create any kind of landing pages that you want: squeeze page, sales page, or product launch pages. Okay, now there are a few settings here, such as the top column, the left column, the right column, and of course the general settings, and also the inactive elements. Inactive elements simply means that all the elements here below here, which belongs to the inactive elements, is not going to be used. If you want to use any of the elements here, you simply need to click with your mouse and then drag it to the left column, to the right column, okay, or to the top column. Okay, you can move this above the headline, below the headline, above the main content, or below the main content, or above the opt-in form, or below the opt-in form. Or you can place it back to the inactive elements if you don't want to use it. Okay, now let's take a look at the page settings. Page settings is essentially your page settings, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You can set the landing page width and the right column width if you want. Okay, and you can also choose a landing page template, and the template preview will show up right below here. So for example, this is a plain white. If I choose, for example, box top orange, okay, wait for it to load up, preview will show up here. Or maybe the super black template, or the color box green, right? So you can play around and choose one of the landing page template that you like. Okay, so custom top navigation. You can have custom top navigation. Simply means that if you want to have a top navigation somewhere here, you can. You just need to choose create a menu within WordPress and choose the menu from here. But first you need to create a menu within WordPress and it will show up here. But if you don't want, you can just simply choose remove navigation, and also you can choose the custom footer setting. You want to use the block setting or remove navigation. Okay, and enable one-time view is for the OTO pages. If you want to make a one-time offer to your customers once they have made a purchase, you can make this a real one-time view, in which case then yes, you want to choose this option. Yes, make this page a one-time view only. If you want to make this a fake OTO, then you have to choose no, do not make this page a one-time view only. Okay, so this is enable one-time view is for the OTO pages that you create. Okay, so if you choose make this page a one-time view only, okay, it will ask you, okay, where do you want to redirect the visitors if they try to view this page for a second time? Okay, and then you select a page that you have created within WordPress, right? And then after playing around and choose the settings you want, you click done. And every time you update something and you click the done button here, you have to click the update. It will publish or update button here. Okay, it says publish here because I haven't typed any content and I haven't published this page yet. But if you have already published the page, it will change to update. You have to click after you click the done button at the bottom here, you need to click the update or publish button for the changes that you have just made to take effect. Okay, so this is the page settings that we have just gone over. Now let's talk about the header settings. This is also pretty self-explanatory. If you want to remove the header, just tick this box, or remove the set logo or title. Okay, header image, you can use your the default header image which comes with the landing page template here. Okay, but if you want to change the header image, you can do so by using the Profit Theme pre-made header, and you can choose from the list here from the different niches. For example, let's say I want to weight loss number 1, for example. Okay, and then a preview will show up here. There you go. And you can choose a custom header height and then click done. Now let's talk about the headline. Okay, by the way, the page settings and the header settings cannot be moved around because these are just settings for your page and for your header. Okay, next thing is the headline. Right, headline, I can type in text here, for example, how to lose weight fast, and then I choose a color. Let's say I want to use the red, and choose a font, and then the size of your headline. Click done. Okay, this is going to show up as a headline, and the main content area is whatever you put inside the WordPress editor here. So let's just type in some content here just to show you how this works. Okay, so this is the main content. Whatever you put here is going to show up under the main content here. Okay, so you can move around. So for example, if I want to create a sales page here, I just move the main content here, right, under the headline. If it's a sales page, I don't want an opt-in form, I just move the opt-in form to the inactive elements area. Okay. If I want to make it a squeeze page, then I just put the left column here and opt-in form here, just like before. If I want a squeeze page where the content is on the left and opt-in form on the right. Okay, now let's move along. Let's say I want to create a sales page here, so I put the main content here, right, and opt-in form, I just drag it to the inactive area. Now let's take a look what this looks like. I'm just going to enter a title here, for example, test, and then I'm going to click publish. All right, let's view the page. Oops, sorry, I forgot to change this one. I have to change the template to the PT landing page template. Okay, I click update. Okay, I'm going to view the page that we have just created. There you go. Okay, just now we have already saw that the landing page is created, right? The sales page is created. So just now, if you remember that I use the settings for one-time offer, I choose yes. Enable one-time view, yes. Make this page a one-time view only. So let's just try to view the page again to see if the one-time offer setting works or not. Yep, it's going to a 404 error page, which redirects to my page, right? So it's not working because I set the OTO page to one-time view only. If I disable this, no, do not make this page a one-time view only, I click done, I click update. Okay, and I try to view the page once again. There you go, it shows up. Okay, now if you want to remove the header, the logo here, and the footer here. Is quite easy. Go to page settings and under custom footer navigation, remove navigation, click done. And header, we just need to remove the site logo or title. Click done, click update. Okay, we're going to refresh this page. There you go. It's gone. This is also gone. Right? The various settings here is also gone. So it's very